Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Oraimo Watch 5, and still, we are going to compare it with popular smartwatches. And on this video, we are going to compare it with the popular Redmi Watch 5 Active. On this video, we are going to compare the design, the specifications, as well as the features offered for both wearables. So if you are interested to see the difference between the Oraimo Watch 5 versus the Redmi Watch 5 Lite or Watch 5 Active, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the two wearables. So let's go first with the packaging. We have here the Oraimo Watch 5 OSW 805 premium box here. It feels premium and durable, as you can see here. We do have some details here for the specs and features, and at the back we do have compatibility requirements and sticker for the authenticity. Okay, authentication center, we have the QR code here. We have the QR code for the support app, the Oraimo Health. Okay, and we have here the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Very simple. Okay, only few details. Most of the information here are in Chinese language. We do have a bit of specs here and features. So when it comes to packaging, I like the style here of the Oraimo Watch 5 compared to our Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, then next, let's check out the design of both wearables. Again, this is the Oraimo Watch 5 and the Redmi Watch 5 Active. We do have here a circular power on and off button. It also serves as a home button. And we have here a rectangular home and power on button. When it comes to the body frame, obviously, as you can see here, the Redmi Watch 5 Active do have a much bigger size. Okay, much thicker body frame. Both do have a pogo pin magnetic USB Type A charging cable. Both do have a quick release pin, interchangeable silicone strap. Okay, so we'll not check the weight anymore for the wearable. Obviously, the Redmi Watch 5 Active do have a much bigger, wider, and the length is, yes, much bigger compared to our Oraimo Watch 5. Okay, side by side, as you can see, obvious difference when it comes to the length here as well as the width. Okay, and of course the thickness. Okay, for the specifications, although the body frame for the Redmi Watch 5 Active is much bigger, okay, the screen displays just the same, 2-inch, okay, 2.0-inch LCD, but with a much higher screen resolution of 320 by 385. For the Oraimo Watch 5, we have 2.01-inch TFT with a much lower screen resolution of 240 by 296 pixel resolution. Bluetooth 5.3, Bluetooth 5.3. Again, 5.2 for the Oraimo 5 Watch 5, 5.3 for the Redmi Watch 5 Active. For the battery, 470 mAh, much bigger battery life with 18 days battery for the normal usage. For the Oraimo Watch 5, we have 300 mAh with 7 days battery life. So for the battery life, it's almost double or triple for our Watch 5 Active compared to the Oraimo Watch 5. Okay, 580M waterproof, 180M waterproof. You can check out the specifications here on both sides. Again, this is the Oraimo Watch 5 and the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, so which is better when it comes to design? Okay, if you don't like the size of the Redmi Watch 5 Active, you can pick the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Again, let's have a closer look. The back, on the side. Okay. Next, let's have the offered features for both smartwatches. So let's check out the UI. On top, we have the settings, notifications here. On the bottom part, notifications. On the bottom part, we have the settings and options. So it's the opposite of the Oraimo Watch 5. On the left side, we have the dashboard here. On the right side, we have the widgets. So when it comes to the layout, the Redmi Watch 5 Active do have a much better style. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so we have the workout history, statistics here, automatic activity tracking, so the same. We have the voice assistant. We don't have it here on the Redmi Watch 5 Active, but we have it here on our Oraimo Watch 5. We have the blood oxygen, heart rate, sleep monitoring, stress monitoring. We have it here. Weather report, calendar. We also have it here. I think we have a calendar if I'm not mistaken. Okay. We have the task. We don't have it here. Favorite contacts, phone, music control, camera, alarm. Yes, we also have an alarm here. Stopwatch, timer. We have a world clock here, but we don't have a world clock. Do we have a calculator for the Watch 5 Active? We don't have a calculator, but we have a flashlight also. Settings. Okay, watch faces, notifications, battery. So more options here for our Redmi Watch 5 Active. We also have here a pin or a password. We don't have it here. Okay, but when it comes to the main menu, they almost have the same features. And when it comes to the smoothness of using it, I like the Redmi Watch 5 Active. It's much better compared to our Oraimo Watch 5. Okay. So which do you think is much better when it comes to features? For the sports functions, both do have a comprehensive list of sports functions. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the Oraimo Watch 5, comparing it with the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. And of course, subscribe to our channel. Support our channel by subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it. Okay, so that's it. Bye.